Hello guys, I'm here today with a cool science experiment that you guys can try at home. All you'll need to do this are some pennies and some water, some vinegar, and some salt. Now the pennies will need to be some older, dirtier ones, because what we're actually going to do today is we're going to clean off these pennies, make them bright and shiny. So it won't do any good if they're already bright and shiny. So either find your own pennies or borrow some from your parents or your dragon or whoever around's got some pennies. And you'll want just a few of them. So what you're going to do is you're going to need some bowls. In one bowl, you're just going to put some water. That'll be to rinse them off at the end. And then in another bowl, you're going to put some vinegar. Basically, you don't need a whole lot of vinegar. About a ½ inch in the bottom is plenty. And you'll want some salt. You can measure out a teaspoon, or you can just put in a little bit, but you don't need a whole lot. If you don't have vinegar and salt, there's this fancy thing here that's made out of vinegar and salt and tomatoes. You might have some of that at your house too. So, if you don't have vinegar and salt, ketchup will work just fine. So I'm actually going to use a third bowl and put some ketchup in this third bowl right here. It's a little grosser than vinegar and salt, but it works just as well. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take a few of your pennies and put them in the vinegar and salt or the ketchup, either way. And what I like to do is actually mix them around with my fingers. But if you prefer not to get messy, you can just leave them sitting there. That is up to you. You're going to give them about 10 seconds, 20 seconds. And when they're done, you're going to take them out of the bowl they're in, and you're going to put them into the water bowl. And the water bowl is just for rinsing. So you take them, and you're going to rinse them off, and they're going to end up bright and shiny, just like new. The reason this happens is because when pennies, which have copper in them, are exposed to air, they make a protective layer that is called copper oxide, and that actually helps protect them from more air. So if you're trying to collect coins, you don't want to do this because it will actually make the pennies more easily damaged next time. But if you just got some pennies of your own that you want to make nice and shiny, this is a really cool way to do it. Now, if you want to do a little more with this, you can also, instead of vinegar, you can try using something like lemon juice. Any sort of acid mixed with salt will clean up your pennies nice and neatly. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this science activity today, and I will see you next time. Bye.